iPhone 17e leak? Dynamic Island for $599?
Stop scrolling. Apple just changed everything. The cheapest new iPhone is about to get the one feature we've been waiting for, and it's killing off the iPhone SE for good. This is the iPhone 17e, and the leaks are finally here. We've got the price, the camera, the A19 chip, and the shocker release date. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel, Tech Fam. I'm your host, and the iPhone 17e is Apple's new weapon in the budget war. It's the official successor to the 16e, and its entire mission is to replace the old-school SE line. First, the good news. Apple is holding the line on price. It's expected to start at a clean $599. That is their most affordable price point, strategically placed to get as many people as possible into the modern Apple ecosystem.
But here is the huge value proposition: power. The 17e is expected to be running the A19 chip, the same latest generation processor as the flagship iPhone 17. Yes, you heard that right. Flagship performance for half the price. Apple might throttle it slightly with one fewer GPU core, but that still means you're getting cutting-edge speeds for gaming and the latest AI features.
Now, for the visual killer feature, the display. The 17e is finally ditching the old SE look entirely. We're getting a gorgeous, large 6.1-inch OLED screen, and the old notch is gone, replaced by the dynamic island. To keep that $599 price, though, you're sticking with the classic 60 Hz refresh rate. That's the one compromise. Next, the camera story. It's all about simplicity. We're looking at a single 48-megapixel rear camera. In 2026, this is still going to deliver stunning photos thanks to the A19 chip processing power. On the front, we expect the 12-megapixel selfie camera, but there are leaks suggesting an upgrade to the 18-megapixel sensor from the other iPhone 17 models. Fingers crossed, because an 18-megapixel selfie cam is a big deal.
Finally, when can you get it? The iPhone 17e is targeted for spring 2026, several months after the main iPhone 17 lineup that drops in late 2025. It's already in test production, so the leaks are real.
So there you have it. The iPhone 17e is a major new player. A19 chip, 6.1-inch OLED, dynamic island, and a $599 price tag. But what do you think? Is this the perfect entry-level iPhone? Or are you missing the small size and lower price of the old iPhone SE? Let me know in the comments. 17e, buy or pass? Smash that like button if you want to see this phone happen, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next major leak. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.